and fetch the configuration. Then go to the live view. And when the car is coming, the camera first thing is to recognize whether it is a vehicle or not. If it's recognized that the car is a real vehicle, then it will automatically focus on the license plate section, capture the license plate, and do the regulation, pop out with the real time, like here. Every car, the regulation result will be pop out here. You will see the raw menu here, include all the information. In the NVR or the software application wise, the same thing. And for majority of the scenario, our LPR is for the entrance and exit, right? We can just use a relay, collect the camera alarm in out interface relay, and then get the I/O signal from the barrier. So let's say for the residential, this is your apartment. You registered all your residents' license plate. When the residents come back home, the entrance LPR recognize the license plate as our residence license plate. It will automatically release the barrier. Then your vehicle coming. That's it. It's an automation process. So you don't need to require the guard, surveillance guard or security guard to release the barrier for you. So this is the thing we can do. Easy to set up. Just get the I/O signal from the barrier. User relay collects with our cameras, in-out interface. That's it. Here is a web interface. You will see you can also import the alert list into the SD memory of the camera, or you can go to the NVR or application like our PC software through the database as well. And each camera you will see we can support up to 10,000 plays. Application-wise, sometimes product, if you just use standalone, like a single product application, you can already say that is a function, that is a specific function. But application-wise is some kind of different. For our LPR, those applications can be supported in our software, okay? Either DSS Express or DSS Pro. Let's have an initial impression here first. So LPR can work as a standalone. LPR can also work with the NVR, specific NVR series. And you can also add the PC software, DSS Express or Pro, to the system as well. The difference here is DSS Express, we can support up to 256 channel IP camera inputs. And for LPR is only 8 channel. So if you have a project, less than 8 channel LPR cameras, then we can go with the DSS Express. Otherwise, let's go with the DSS Pro. And the DSS Express is, both are license-based. But DSS Express, we provide a 64 channel free to use. More than 64 channel, you need to purchase a license. DSS Pro, you have the base license and video channel license, application channel license, depends on what scenario, what products you are going to use. And we also provide the standard CGI SDK for the third-party integration. But majority of the scenario are closed system, either standalone LPR or used with our NVR or PC software. And let's back to the application wise. The first one is real-time monitoring. So you will say, whenever there is a vehicle entering the barrier, entering the region you conveyed, then its license plate will be popped out and showing in the underlay section. You will say with exact what vehicle corner type and license plate information there. That is for the real-time monitoring. And combined with the real-time monitoring, you can set up with like a law list or blacklist. So if I know this person's vehicle is not allowed to enter our property, or this person is our staff, we allow him or her to enter our building, then you can use with this feature. Whenever the target vehicle is detected, you will get a real-time notification, and then like management or like the security guard will take action in real time. That is the first scenario. The second application here is entrance-exit record search. So on our software, we have a special application section for search. You can do a vague search, like we say, license plate ABC 123. You can just search 123, or just say 1, right? And then you will get all the targeted vehicle history here, and it's easy to target, locate, or track down the targeted vehicle. And each snapshot, each record line here, you can directly double click and access to the recordings or snapshot. It's pretty easy. Next one is working overtime alert. So let's say we commonly just say in our surrounding environment that some parking lot is only allowed 2 hours parking, right? And with our LPR camera, you will know, because it has the entry and exit records here, you will know how long the vehicle parked in your property, in your parking lot. When you set up the parking time as 2 hours, after 2 hour clock click here, and then the system will automatically push the location to the manager or operator. Let you know which exact vehicle already parked over 2 hours and is still in the parking lot, and the management will directly go to take action. That is the same scenario we can use our LPR to realize here. Next one is parking lot management. LPR is for entrance and exit management, and we also have other various selections of the cameras can do the license plate regulation as well as the parking space detection. It will show you one camera can take care of up to 100 parking spaces, and it will show you in real time which space is available, which space is occupied. When you combine the entrance exit LPR and the parking spaces detection LPR together, you will exactly know on the software how many spaces left, which spaces are available. Those kind of information we can support in our software application as well. Those are the things our LPR can support. Emphasize again, the human and vehicle classification on those regular cameras. It can only detect you are a vehicle target. It cannot do regulation of the license plate. Regulation of license plate, we need to use unique algorithm for LPR camera. First, it detects you as a vehicle, then further process with the regulation. Only focus on the license plate section. That's the difference. Any questions?
Yes, they don't have a snapshot for the a picture for the plates, just the information, or they have option for data snapshot.
Oh, pardon.
Okay, the camera have the ability for take a picture of the plates, or just show the information.
Both capture and regulation. Because when you do the big search, right, or exact place search, how it can regularize what the exact your license number is. That is kind of regulation algorithm. Algorithm of the regulation first, then comes with the exact information search. Yeah.
Okay, so any other camera available besides this? Sorry.
This should be good.
Oh, okay.
Besides this camera specifically for the parking lot, do
Mhm.
you have any other available camera for just can pick up the license plate? Like my client is only for garage
Mhm.
mechanics.
Mhm.
He doesn't have any gate or barrier. So what cameras do you suggest?
This one is okay. Same housing but for megapixel. Or either this one is okay. Barrier is unnecessary. Barrier is just an option there. You know, sometimes entrance and exit they have the barrier. For some third-party camera, if they work with the barrier, it's pretty difficult for the configuration or deployment, right? But for ours, you know, pretty easy to set up with the barrier. Barrier is not necessary. Either open area, you can just configure as a virtual entry and exit for your customer scenario and use the LPR to do the regulation. Yeah, that one works.
Okay, the question is if you install the software on the PC and have a internal network and we have a WAN, if we disconnect from the internet, the system is worse or not?
Okay, so ensure the stability here. You can just add a SD card on the edge. So whenever there is a network disconnection, because we can't 100%, there is no, you know, like the outage of the interaction. This is kind of thing we can't guarantee, right? So you can add a SD card on the edge camera. And then once there is disconnection, all the data would be in the SD storage for a while. When the collection restore, and then we have the mechanism in our system. All the data will be automatically transferred to your PC.
No, I'm talking about the working effectivity between the PC and the camera and the barrier as well. If we disconnect from the internet and our internet connectivity is disconnected, should we affect in the PC for the application and the camera and the barrier?
The application.
What if the internet is disconnected? Does it works or not?
No, PC software, first you need to work with the LPR first, get all the data, then do the analysis, right?
Sure. So
Yeah.
if we disconnect from the internet, as long as we have a WAN or internal network, the system doesn't work. We need to have the internet till
Yeah.
the system is working.
Yeah, it depends on your internet is LAN or WAN, right? You can set up in LAN. LAN some, I think is very low possibility to have this collection. WAN sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes the internet is disconnected,
Yeah,
for
so,
a specific time frame.
yeah. So, no worries, I would suggest you use a SD card to temporarily install, all the data. And later, the collection restore, it will automatically transfer all data from camera to your PC software.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
And you have you told me the 2 MP and the 4 MP camera you have, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what are sorry? What's the distance we can get the number plate?
Okay. So we have some features showing here. For the 4 megapixel, we can do 8 to 30 meters, a very wide range for the detection. And of course, the camera is autofocus, right? Depends on your real scenario. You can do zoom and focus to exactly focus on the region you want to detect the vehicle and the license plate. It's pretty long range.
It's both is 2 MP and 4 MP is the same?
We have different selections, okay? One is for 2.8 to 12 millimeters. So for that one is only 6 to 8 meters distance. For this one is 10 to 50 millimeters length, so it can do 8 to 30 meters in distance detection.
And also, do you have an analog one too?
Okay, sorry, just an update. We only carry 2 models. One is a 2 megapixel, one is a 4 megapixel. And the lens, we only carry 1 model, which is a 10 to 50 mils lens.
It's no worries.
There's another one, lower, we don't carry that.
Yeah, majority of the scenario, we would suggest to go with 10 to 50 millimeters. It's pretty known for the distance, and it's autofocus. It just adjust the lens. You don't need to manually install it. Adjust the view angle, then go back to your PC or remote site and the software or interface. Do the remote zoom focus. That's it.
Yeah, does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Between 2 to 4 megapixel, there's no much difference if you zoom in enough. So the distance should be pretty much the same, like 8 to 32 meters.
And also, do you have an analog one too? It's only, otherwise only
Right now it's only the IP, but I believe it has an analog output, right?
Oh, which one?
The LPR.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it's for the.
Yeah, it does has a analog output, but that's an analog signal, not a high definition analog. It's just a CVBS.
It is only
only the CDs, no HDO.
No.
It's only for debugging. So when you do the installation, sometimes the installer uses it for the debugging. So, but for the regular use, I would suggest to use RJ45 or the IP base. Cause the analog can't do so much kind of the intelligence here.
Is there a demo?
Yeah, but we don't have the moving vehicle to detect it.
Okay, or maybe we just show them how it looks like on the big screen.
Yeah, we can try. Okay. We're going to show you the web interface step by step, only 3 simple steps for the configuration. That's it. We will show to you. We just see the performance of, capture the license. We can't do the regulation because it's not a vehicle in the background. Algorithm, when you want to improve the accuracy, first is recognize as a vehicle, then focus on the license plate section. And right now we don't have the vehicle, so it might not do the regulation, but we're going to show you how it looks like in the live view when you detect a vehicle, a license plate in distance.
Another exciting time now. So since they are doing the software, we just do another lucky draw for the LPR camera. Okay, let's move to camera. This time I'll pick one. Okay. And who is the lucky one? 766 0 7. What's the next number? 2 072. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 072. Thank you.
So this is the web interface of the LPR. So we just need to go to the wizard. Just 2 steps. Here is the date and the time, and we just need to set the plate algorithm to the North America one and file choices. So North America and save it, and then we go to the drawing interface. We can draw it like the capture area. So when the license plate enter the capture area, the snapshot will show here, the real-time display, and we just save it and complete, and then go to the configuration here, the config LPR, and click the autofocus and save it, and that's it.
Can you do a zoom?
Yes. Here's zooming. And we can also adjust the focus. Yeah. Best one is just click the autofocus on and then save it. And that's it, all configuration.
Can you turn on the backlight if I see same?
Turn
Turn
off.
on the backlight.
Turn off.
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Keeping the IR. Yeah, so it's quite clear, you can read the license plate. The reason you need the LPR camera instead of regular body camera display lens is the car has 2 headlights, right? At night, so by regular camera, you will see just a bright, so you won't with this camera, it will be lower the car's highlights, and you can read the license plate. That's the reason you need an LPR camera and